Blow it up. Blow it all to hell. Blow this stinking world up.
That's crazy talk. Your soul's nowhere near enough for that. Also, no demon would bother listening to some heartbroken brat's tantrum.
It's the last time I'd ever love.
Everyone always says that at first. There are plenty of other boys out there. As many as there are stars.
What star? They're all gone.
Get over here. You'll catch a cold.
I'm fine. I'll just freeze to death like this.
Sure, go ahead.
You're horrible!
I am a demon.
I summoned you, so at least get rid of this pain in my heart. I'll give you my soul for it.
Like I'd want some snot-nosed brat's soul.
Please.
Hey, did you really draw this magic circle? Summoning me is quite an accomplishment, you know.
Yeah, I'm good at drawing.
Let's make a deal then. There's something I've always wanted. Draw.
That night, with his notched tail as the brush, a new constellation was drawn among the stars. Summon me if you break your heart again, said the demon, with laughter as he disappeared. I'm sure I won't need to, though. Boys are as common as the stars, after all.